Ipsy. Oh, what? What's up, y'all? Y'all see your girl is busting out these videos. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. This gonna be the last one for the night though, y'all. I'm tired. So we did BoxyCharm Base Box, which went out on Tuesday. We did BoxyCharm Premium, which went out on Saturday. And today we're going to be doing my Ipsy PR box. Y'all, this got lost in the mail during Ida. She took it to the Gulf, drowned it, brought it back. Now I have it. So if you guys want to see what you can expect if you haven't received your Ipsys yet, stay right there. You already know your girl got it. Oh! Make sure you like, share, and subscribe. You do know it's like free, right? You know that? If you didn't, I just told you. You're welcome. All right, loves, welcome. I am Tonyanicole, and you have now entered into the Tonyanicole experience, where we're going to be featuring my Ipsy PR box. Yeah, no drink today. I suck, y'all. But next week, well, probably the following week, I'll have some alcohol and stuff in here, I guess. I don't know. I'm trying to lose some weight, y'all, before Halloween, because y'all know Halloween is coming, and I got this I'm getting carried away. Anyway, guys, I have the Ipsy PR box, and I'm excited to show you guys what to expect in September. I'm sure you've already gotten your boxes, but hey, I gotta unbox this one. You know, they asked me to do it. So if you're interested, we're about to get right to it, love. All right, we're just gonna cut this baby open like that. I'm gonna set her down. This is gonna be actually a really quick video. It's not gonna take me long. That's what the inside is looking like, and the camera is dying, so we're gonna try to be really as quick as we can. We're gonna start with our little bag right here. So this is the Ipsy Glam bag. These will be going up starting next month, I think to like $13. I'll correct it on the bottom if I'm wrong. I think I will be canceling the this one. I may keep the plus depending on how I like it, but if I don't, I'll be canceling one of them for sure, because I'm not going to keep going up in price and the, you know, items are not getting any better. So this one is $12 a month. You're supposed to get 5 deluxe sample size with the occasional full size product in here. Yeah, so we're going to see what we got. This is going to be a quick one, love. So y'all ready? Because we're about to make it do what it do and get this bag on and popping. Boo. Hey, a dance break. And now I don't have any prices for this stuff, y'all, so y'all already know. The theme for the month is work, school, life. Back to work and school is what it's looking like right there. And like I told you guys, we don't have any prices, so we'll be going through this quickly. I kind of feel the bag. I think it reminds me of like a pleated skirt. I actually like it. So yeah, I do. And it's the yellow inside. Here are the products. So first up we have from Tatcha. Ooh, this is the rice wash, and you do get 20 milliliters of product in this baby. Very excited to see this. And this is a big sample size, y'all. You get 20 milliliters of product in here, and it's a soft cream cleanser. There's a seal on it, so I won't open it, but this is a nice size, and it is full. Yeah, it's pretty full. All right, happy to see Tatcha. Love her. And then we have from Bad Gal. This is the, from Benefit. This is the Bad Gal Bang Bigger, Badder Volume Mascara right here. This is definitely like a little sample size. You get 3.0 grams of product. I love these. I keep these by my table, and I use these to apply when I do my videos or when I'm traveling. That's the one, so that's gonna give you a lot of volume. I do like that. Very excited for this. All right, I could use that. So 2 for 2 is pretty good already. Up next, we have from Perfect Shine. What is this? I don't know who this is from. Nature Lab. It's the Perfect Shine Clarifying Scalp Scrub right here, guys. And I do love a scalp scrub. I have used one in the past, and it actually made my scalp feel really nice. It's got a little seal on it, but I will open it. Ooh, look how it looks, guys. It's like a, I don't know. Ooh, oh my God, it smells really good. I really like that. Okay. All right, a nice scalp scrub. I actually will use this product, so I'm happy about this. Really happy about this. Next we have from ABH, and this is the lipstick right here. They send this lipstick all the time in the shade Dead Roses. I have like 3 or 4 of these already. It's a beautiful color. Really like it. Happy to see it, but wish they switched the color up a little bit. And I'm not sure if these masks go in the Glam bag, but I'm gonna assume that they do. I'm not really sure. This is from E Nature. It is the Squeeze Green Watery Sheet Mask. This is a facial mask, moisturizing and refining. It's this one. And then we also have this one, which is a Restore Face Mask for skin relief, soothing and softening. So these two here, I'm gonna assume it's in the Glam bag, the regular Glam bag. I'm not really sure. But let's do a quick recap on this. And we have these 5 products right here, loves. And for the most part, for it being the Glam bag, if this was my bag that I spent my money on, I probably wouldn't be too happy with it. But these 3, I'm lying. These 4, very happy for. I will definitely use the skin mask, the sheet mask. So it's not really too bad, but could be a little better. I'm actually happy with it though. I don't know. I'm confused, y'all. Y'all know me. So I'm gonna give it a 3.5 out of 5, actually. All right, loves, so now we're gonna move to the Glam Bag Plus, and this is the bag for the Glam Bag Plus. I'm not really feeling this one as much as the regular Glam bag, but it's okay. This one is $25 a month. You're gonna get 5 full-size beauty products in this bag with a value of around $120. I do have a link for Ipsy, guys, if you guys want to subscribe. Now, this one I think is going from 25 to 28 or 20 something. I'm gonna fix it down here if I'm wrong, but it will be going up starting in October as well. So don't be surprised if you see it on your bank statement that the prices are more, and you know you pay taxes with this one as well too. So yeah, it's gonna be going up. So I'm gonna see if I'm gonna stick around. I don't know yet, y'all. But this is the first product. It's from Nine. It's a clay mask that detox and tightens your skin. Right here, this is definitely a full-size product. You get 120 grams of product. This is with natural Canadian Glacian Oceanic clay, worry-free ingredients. All right, so I'm cool with this. Vegan, gluten-free, sulfate-free, paraben-free, all of those frees. So let's take it out of the free box. All right, when we slide her out, this is what she is looking like. You do get 120 grams of product. It says natural water separation may occur. Shake well before use. Apply a thick layer to your face, avoiding your eyes and mouth. You're gonna leave on for 10 to 15 minutes and then wash off with warm water. I do love a face mask. It does have a seal, but I will get some use out of this. I do love these types of face masks. So yeah, they actually get your skin really clean. So I do like that. And the next product up is from Citrus. No, who's this from? It's a facial scrub from Up Circle Beauty, is it? Up Circle? That's what it looks like right here. And this is a face scrub made with repurposed coffee grounds. It's natural, sustainable, and vegan. All right. Okay, so let's open this up and see. Coffee scrub formulated for dry and dehydrated skin. That's what we're looking like right there. You do get, how much in here? It's only good for 6 months once you open it, guys. I do see that. You get 100 milliliters of product. I won't open this because I do not have dry skin. I have combination oily. So I will be putting this in our giveaway that's coming up. But okay, you want to shake, scrub vigorously to mix before applying to damp face in a circular motion. You're going to leave on for a few minutes, rinse with warm water, and pat dry. All right, so this will be good for our dry skinned people, just not your girl. All right, so next we have from Uma Beauty. This is an Afro Cleopatra ink. Oh, it's a liquid eyeliner. Uma Beauty is a Black-owned brand. I do know that. This is a full-size product. Ooh, I love their brand, though. Alrighty, this is what it looks like. It is in Cleopatra ink, blacker than black, y'all. That's cute. Let's open it. Ooh, that's what it looks like. Just a felt tip. I'm gonna slide it on. Beautiful black. I do hope that it gets matte once it dries down. I do not like a shiny liner, but I do use these to do like a little sexy wing, you know? So it's very black, and it is blacker than y'all black. Oh, blacker, yeah, blacker than y'all black. That's not what it says. Wait. Blacker than black, y'all. Girl, y'all forgive me. Y'all know it's been a minute. Two more products. Next we have from Il Makiage, and this is the Color Boss Squad multi-dimensional eye color quad palette. All right, this is a beautiful packaging. I love the ombre of color. This is the Real Deal palette. Okay, let's see how much of a real deal it is, baby. Ooh, this is what the packaging looks like. Ignore my table, y'all, you know. It's like a mirror though. Hey, boo, a mirror on top of a mirror. Ooh, and we get another mirror. It's beautiful. Hi, girl. All right, loves, this palette is gorgeous. Look at that. Like this brown color. Oh my God. Even this nice bronzy color. I have to swatch this one. Ooh, and they feel nice and like, you know, those color pop, shock pop things. Ooh, this feels, ooh, these are beautiful colors, perfect for fall. I will definitely get some good use from this. Beautiful packaging, love this. Okay, I'm very excited about this, very excited. And finally, my loves, we have from Sunday Riley. Oh my God, this is the lactic acid licorice root good genes all-in-one lactic acid treatment. You get 1 fluid ounce of product. I do oh God, excuse me. Something was caught in my little throat. I do love Sunday Riley's products. Y'all know she is pretty pricey, y'all, but this is what she's looking like. When you open it, ooh, that's like ASMR. Ooh, look how beautiful that packaging is. Gorgeous and pretty, and ooh, yeah, I love that. It is gorgeous. Ooh, I could just keep it right in the box. You're gonna put 1 to 2 pumps to clean dry skin as a leave-on treatment. It can be applied on top of the Luna Sleeping Night Oil and before your moisturizer. Okay, cool. All right, so this is what we have. Be careful in the sun with this product, guys. All right, so that was all we got in our Glam bag, plus these products here, 5 products. These 2 I love, these 3 I love. So out of the 5, I'll use 4 for sure, and it's these 4 right here. The coffee scrub I will put in a giveaway since I don't have dry skin, but I thought that the plus was actually pretty decent this month. I would definitely give it like a 3.5 to 4 out of 5 for this month. I really did like it. Let me know if you got your stuff already, your Glam bag or your plus, if you had any of these products in it. If you did, let me know what you got. Very excited to know. Do not forget, guys, if you have not subscribed to my channel, make sure you do so. Give this video a big thumbs up if this is the content that you like from your girl. All of my social media links will be down below, and that's all I have, guys. So until next time, next video, you guys be blessed, stay safe, wear your mask, and I'll talk to you later. Bye.